Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, this video that you are watching, is going to be a day in the life of Grace Curve. So today is December 23rd. It's 11:35. I woke up at literally 10:30, so I haven't been up for an hour. I've got my cereal right here, and I'm dressed and ready to go to the gym. Let's just get into it. Let's just go to the gym.
Says she hopes her skills on the court can help her achieve bigger goals off the court.
She's like you did on me. Going to the gym, mother. There's the gym. Oh, hey. Pre-video. Yes. That's enough. Okay. Say hi, Rocco. Merry Christmas. Yeah. Bye, baby. It's okay. It's okay. God bless. Bye. Okay, so allegedly it's gonna be like a blizzard tonight. Which is just fantastic. So my lift that was scheduled for tomorrow is now being moved up to today. So right after I'm done in the gym, I'm gonna go lift. Where are my keys? Here we go. Anyway, so yeah, the blizzard is coming tonight. So we've got to lift after basketball.
It's quiet, ain't no back to it.
Alright, so I just got to the gym. So I gotta be out of here by like 1:15 to make it to the other gym at 1:30. Such a messy predicament that I have 2 memberships for 2 different YMCAs. It's a mess. Okay, see you in there. Let's go. Alright, so I've been here for like exactly an hour. Just got a lot of shots up, so now I'm gonna do some handle work, and you guys can see that. Y'all can see that. Alright, so now it is 109, 110, 110, and I'm gonna head over to the other YMCA back in Minnesota for a lift at 1:30. Apparently it's a blizzard. My parents was calling me, telling me, what is a blizzard? I'm like, the roads were fine. They're like, okay. Why'd I smack the ball like that though? How I made that ball fit? No clue. Well, I made it to the Y. Driving is insane. Getting ready to lift with Dre. There's nobody here because it's a blizzard. My parents were not on. So let's see. Hi, Dre. Yo, he was really trying to kill me. You don't even know.
Gang.
So just finished the workout. I'm doing a day in the life vlog. So just finished the workout. Dre had murder on his mind.
Murder!
But really good training. If you in the Duluth Superior area, get with it. Somebody needs to fill my spot because I'm leaving. I need a strong female athlete to come and take my place. At I Can, I Will Trade It. Say what you have to say to the vlog.
Hi, Grace's vlog.
Come closer so we can focus. Oh, there we go.
Hi, Grace's vlog.
Trying to be cute or whatever. Ladies, he is very much single. Very much going to play basketball in college. Oh, he wants me to get the ball.
I am celebrating. So married.
What?
I am celebrating.
We weren't even talking about that.
There's no point.
Coldest shooter out of Duluth.
No, I am.
So now vlog, I'm about to head back home. The roads are terrible. Yeah, no, I was slipping. It was bad. I was so scared. So yeah, about to head back home. Just relax. So bye, Tyree. Show them one more time how you shoot. Show them that jumper. Yes, sir. Y'all, they were not lying when they said this was a blizzard. Can y'all see this? And there's like these huge wind gusts. Unbelievable. But have no fear, I'm a fantastic driver. See, getting in an accident will teach you how to drive. But I gotta go because my parents are gonna get worried about me that I'm... Alright, y'all, so made it back home. It was an adventurous drive. So now I'm about to make something to eat. My mom got me this cheese advent calendar, and so every day I've been opening a thing of cheese. If you don't know, I'm in love with cheese. So today was mild cheddar. It just comes in like this little thing. Phenomenal. How ironic. I'm actually about to make some Velveeta. Oh, I hate this. It rings until you shut it. Okay, so mac and cheese is done. Now I'm about to sit on the couch and watch a movie with Ruby. It usually takes us 15 minutes to figure out what movie we want to watch. Anyways, I'm about to eat, relax, and then afterwards I'm probably going to take a shower and clean up my room and do my nails and answer a couple email type things for school. Alright, so I just got out of the shower. The time is 5:24. The movie we watched, well, Ruby abandoned me, but watched Jimmy Neutron. That movie is hilarious. Oh my gosh, it brought back like so much memorabilia, nostalgia. But yeah, it's 5:24, so now my task is to tackle this. It's a mess, we know. I have my Christmas PJs on, ready to get it going. We'll be jamming out Christmas music and a good mix. Let's just begin. Hey Siri, play This Christmas by Chris Brown on YouTube Music.
Here's This Christmas on YouTube Music.
Hang all the mistletoe. I'm gonna get to know you better. It's Christmas and as we turn the tree, how much fun we'll be together. It's Christmas, my side is blazing bright. Oh wow, we can't believe through the night. Oh, Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Presents and cards and gifts, my world is gift to you. Merry Christmas and
This is as good as it's gonna get because the laundry is quite an all-day process. This is my favorite part of my room right here. Is just this little corner, little nook. Gonna have to. Does anybody else color coordinate their closets? Anyways, so now I am going to go do the dishes. There's not that many of them, and then do the rest of my skincare routine and go on my computer. I just finished dishes. The time is 6:53, so almost 7 o'clock. The blizzard making it feel like it's 9 o'clock. I'm so tired and I don't even know why. So I'm just gonna do my face stuff and just probably stay in bed the rest of the night, to be honest. I don't have anywhere to go, nothing to do. You know, going out isn't gonna be safe for anyone. Also, I was thinking about like the first couple shots that I took from this morning, and like, you know those YouTubers, like their houses are like so big, like just like insanely huge houses and stuff, and like they got pools and everything. Yeah, we don't have that. Very much middle class. I don't know, I started to get really random here. Apologies. Here is me trying to get into my bed and keep it looking pretty and trying to be cool and not looking like a dork, but I didn't succeed in that. So yeah, this is pretty much the end of the day. It's only 7 o'clock, but there's absolutely nothing that I need to do right now. I'm on break, no homework, so I'm just gonna chill on my phone, probably watch some YouTube videos, answer emails like I said. That's what I should do first. See, my priorities are all out of whack. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this day in the life of me. Tune back in soon for another video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and whenever you're seeing this, have a good night. Thanks. Yo, right after I cut that video off, the power went out for like a split second. I wish I would have got that on camera. This vlog is done. Okay, bye.